So I decided that for Halloween this year, even though I'm going to be a brand new mom starting maybe October 2nd, that I want to be Mystique from the X-Men comics for Halloween, because I'm naming my son Remy after Gambit from X-Men. And if you don't know, Gambit and Rogue have a little thing going, and Mystique is her like a surrogate mom. I don't think they're biological mom and daughter or anything. But yeah, Mystique and Rogue used to like be in a little group together and be badass together. And Mystique sort of raised Rogue in the mutant way. Anyway, so Mystique's character has this gold skull hanging from her head, like a little pendant tiara skull. She also has the cool skull belt, but I'm just going to be doing the blue makeup and everything, so I just needed the headpiece. And instead of doing what I did with the Ursula costume last year, I figured I'd crochet this one because I had all the fixings. So I have kind of a goldish yellow yarn mixed with a gold thinner yarn, and just some black for the eyes and the nose of the skull that I'm adding now. I did watch a YouTube video. I'll tag that one below. I didn't really follow any pattern though. I'm just kind of winging it as I do. But it was actually good to watch that YouTube video first and kind of get the gist of like how you make the skull shape. And yeah, so that's it on my little spiel of talking, and this is just a little video on how I put together the skull. Oh, so now I'm going in and taking the black and just kind of sewing it through the inside of the skull. That way I can make the eye shape a little bit bigger and rounder than I can get with an actual, crochet stitch. And then I just wanted to go in and put the little nose as a, little black hole in the middle as a triangle, sort of like a jack-o'-lantern. Now I'm just tucking in the excess black yarn and stuffing the head a little bit because you want it a little bit puffy. And I'm just going to finish it off with a long tail of the gold and thinner gold. I also ripped through, I forgot I added this. So I needed something that would hang through my hair. And I picked this color that was as close to my dark brown hair color and her Mystique's like reddish brown color That way I have something to like string my hair through and clip it in. So it's just a little something. Hopefully this will be hidden. You don't ever see it. The little Pippi Longstockings I gave the skull. And then we're stuffing it and just finishing up the bottom, leaving a long tail, like I was saying, to then go back in and sew the long tail up and add like a little teeth type portion on the front of the crochet skull. So it sort of looks like, you know, the top row of teeth on the skull that she's got. So yeah, I know I talked somewhat through this video, somewhat not, and it wasn't probably very helpful for anybody. But if you found this interesting, please drop me a like, a comment. I love to hear from you. Well, thanks for watching if you got this far or farther. I appreciate you. Bye.